Rachel, and today I'm back with a planner unboxing. This is a video that I hadn't planned to film because I hadn't planned to buy a planner, if I'm completely honest. But I saw this come up on Facebook on the D-Stash group. I recently bought a Stalogy, as you know if you watched my previous videos, and it needed a cover. I had no intention of buying a cover yet. It wasn't a desperate thing, but this came up and I thought, you know what, I'm going to give this a go. So this is a Moterm planner, and the colour that I've been told that it is the Moterm Peach. Now, when I went online, I couldn't find any colours or pretty much any details about this planner. There was just one colour that seemed to, one picture of this colour that seemed to look quite similar to the Sweet Peach from Foxy Fix, and as you know, I have a Sweet Peach and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I messaged the lady, we had a little chat about the colour, and I decided to go for it. So I thought that I would open it on camera and you can get my genuine reaction of what I think the colour is like. I want it to be peach. I do not want it to be orange. So yeah, we're going to see. So she's boxed it very nicely. There was a really cute little address label on it that had her address on it to return to, and it had this sweet little country house. Obviously I've taken it off for the video. My address is on the other side, so I haven't opened this. All I've done is just slip the sellotape on the side. So straight away I can see that she sent it in the dust bag, which is really, really nice. It feels squishy. I am really nervous to open this. If this is not the colour that I want. I think we're okay. Oh, it's beautiful. Now it's coming up. It is coming up on the camera orange, which is really annoying. That really annoys me about my bubble gum. There's a little dent in it, but I think that's probably just from transit. I think this feels really squishy. I'm pretty sure that dent's going to come out. Oh my god. Do you know what, guys? It is super, super similar to my bubblegum colour. I can't believe it. It's beautiful. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's got the big back pocket, which is nice. And funnily enough, before I saw this in the D-Stash group, I actually ordered a Hobonichi Weeks one, and I'm not in the peach colour because I didn't know that existed. Like I said, in the is it the lychee pink? The lychee pink colour. So as far as I'm aware, this is pretty much brand new. It looks brand new, it feels brand new, and it's got the little card in it. I presume that this is plastic. This is not card. That's cute sticking out of there. I don't know if I'll leave it there, but that's cute there for now. So it's got a pocket here and a pocket there. I actually thought that that went all the way through them, but it doesn't. It's two separate pockets. Then we've got a pocket at the back there. We have got a little baby secretarial pocket. We have got one there and one there. The big back pocket, like I showed you. And we've got the pen loop that just needs squishing in. So I'm really, really happy with this. It's gorgeous. Oh, I love it so much. It's beautiful. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get my bubble gum and show you it next to it, because it's pretty much, this is a tad lighter. It is the most gorgeous shade of peach and I absolutely love it. I wish you could see the real life colour. It's something that I am working on, is trying to get that planner and this planner to show up more true to colour, because I am not a fan of carrot orange. I do not have carrot orange planners. Anybody that does and you love them, that is cool. Like, if that's your colour, that is so, so cool. I'm not dissing anybody that likes carrot orange, but that's not me. I like this peachy, gorgeous pinkness. I will say this, these are neither use than an ornament. I can't be doing with them. I don't think I'll cut them out, because then it will annoy me that there is a sort of a black bump there, and also if I wanted to resell them. But what I think I might do with those is just iron them over the top of a piece of, what do you call it? Like netting. There's a word and I'm not thinking of it. But I'll iron them down straight and then I'll just leave them hanging down the bottom. Stick my planner in. Now, another thing that I will say that I've heard is that the B6 Stalogy, when it goes in on its own, is absolutely fine. When you put a jelly cover on it, I've heard people say that they struggle. I've seen people actually cut as well the bottom bit of the jelly covers out so that they go in more smoothly. I have seen people stuff them in and it's took a bit of effort, but they've got it in. So I will say that I've got a Lauren Phelps design jelly cover coming and I will have to see how I get on with that. But yeah, it will definitely be going in a jelly cover in here. But I am chuffed with this. I'm instantly, when I get off the camera, going to go and thank the lady for answering all my questions and getting me my beautiful planner. But yeah, just a quick little impromptu video today because I thought I would just like to open it on camera with you guys. I hope you are all safe and well and doing all right. Yeah, I'm going to go and pop off and play with my planner, but I'll see you all soon. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye!